Do you use WhatsApp? Yes? Then wait. You are in danger. Watch this video till the very end so that you don't get scammed. So this latest scam is called WhatsApp Pink. Right now, this scam is all over India. Governments like Orissa and Mumbai government have also issued public advisory so that you can stay alert and stay safe from the scam. Let me explain to you how the scam works. Now, first thing, you will get a message, something like this. It will ask you to click a link to turn your WhatsApp interface pink. However, clicking this link will automatically download an application in the background. Unfortunately, this means your device is now hacked. Once hacked, this application gains control over your entire device, giving scammers access to your data, including your contacts, private photos, videos, and sensitive information. To protect yourself, avoid clicking on any such links. It's important to share this video with your loved ones immediately to prevent them from falling victim to the WhatsApp pink scam.